with Chief Meteorologist Jay Cardosi.
All right, gang, here's the winter storm warning across all of the viewing area. We're talking about how many people this storm is going to impact. Let me show you this graphic. Is that amazing or what? Winter storm warnings all the way from New Mexico, Texas, and points off towards the east and also the northeast into the big cities of the mid-Atlantic and the northeastern United States. On top of that, we have ice storm warnings across the Tennessee Valley, the lower Mississippi Valley. I mean, what a huge impact this is going to be across the lower 48. Outside right now, it is quiet. It's cold, but it's the quiet, the calm before the storm. We have partly cloudy skies. Those temperatures, though, they're cold right now. We've dipped to 17 degrees. Last hour, we were 20, and you can see the Arctic air that's pouring in from the north with northerly winds. This is the air that continues to funnel southward, so the cold air continues to deepen. A huge ingredient for what is needed for a big winter storm, and that will be present overnight tonight, but especially as the moisture arrives tomorrow. And there's the moisture as we speak. Snow in the central plains. We have an ice storm developing Texas, southern Oklahoma, rain northeastern Texas. All this moisture will continue to kind of expand, get heavier and heavier as it moves off towards the east and northeast. And that simply means a severe alert for us as we move through the entire weekend. Tomorrow morning, we are dry. When you wake up, have your coffee, look outside, it'll be cloudy, it will be cold. Upper single digits, lower teens. Mid portions of the day or early afternoon, expecting some snow to break out, light snow in town. If you had to nail me down at what time, 2 o'clock or so, give or take here in the metro, a little bit earlier off towards the west-southwest, a little bit later off to the east-northeast. But that snow will pick up through the late afternoon and on your Saturday evening. It will be accumulating several inches of snow likely tomorrow night across the better part of the WLKY viewing area. And notice here comes the pink or the purple zone. That's the changeover. That's the sleet and also the freezing rain by Sunday morning, making it just north of the parkways. Still snow here in town Sunday morning, but by midday Sunday, there's at least a chance that we could change the snow over to sleet here in the metro for a couple, 3 hours or so. The farther south you go, we're talking freezing rain with snow farther off to the north. As the storm departs, we wrap colder air into the system later Sunday. Everybody goes back over to fluffy snow for several hours, and then finally things come to an end as we push on into Sunday evening. A solid foot or more is expected the northern one half of the viewing area, including the metro. Isolated 1.5 amounts off, especially north, northeast. Here in the metro, expecting 12 to 14. 8 to 12 along the parkways, 4 to 8 our southern communities, less the farther south you go, but that's where the ice will likely be occurring, especially Sunday morning. Up to a ½ inch will be possible south of the parkways. And folks, with the breezes blowing in from the northwest up to 15 miles an hour, that could cause a few power outages downstate. Heavy snow, yes. Significant glazing of ice, yes, to the south. Very hazardous travel late tomorrow right through Sunday night and Monday. Thank goodness the winds won't be all that strong. Be cold but quiet on this Friday evening. Looking through tomorrow, snow develops in the early afternoon. Temperatures topping out just in the teens as the severe alert goes into effect. And we're expecting the snow and sleet to last through Sunday, finally end Sunday evening. And it's not going anywhere. Look at the deep freeze, Vicki. I mean, we're talking teens and 20s by day, single digits above and below zero at night. And we could be in spots close to 10 below Tuesday morning.
Now, we're going to be here this weekend, but at some point, we're going to need to try to get home.
At some point,
Is there going to be a little break in there somewhere?
I don't have anybody out there have a four-wheeler that can help us out, right?
Snow plow truck that you could come just pick us up and take us home for a quick shower and we'll come back, right?
That'd be nice.